So here's just a quick video of cantilever closing. As you can see, it goes right across the driveway, so we've just set this one about 40 mils above. It should slow down just before it engages. There you go, perfect set. That's what a cantilever gate looks like installed. This one's about 4.5 meters wide, so it's quite a wide one, but it's perfect for a driveway that is uneven. It's all over the place, and you don't have to lay a concrete strip. It just gets put onto the concrete plinth, as you can see over there. It goes down, has foundations, and the motor gets raised up so that it can connect to this rack that you have here. And there's a lot of different functions you can program into these motors. You can change the auto close time. You can set up as a pedestrian. You can actually change the speed of the motor. A lot of motors you can't change the speed because they're not set up to do so, but these particular motors that we use can auto slow, speed up, slow down. So there's a lot of functionality that you can program into these motors. This one is set up with the lasers as well, it's a photon beam which shoots across the gate, and if somebody decides to come in, like a car decides to come in, it automatically stops the gate and reverses it. Just a safety feature that we offer. Make sure you get safety beams. We do as standard on all our gates because safety is pretty important for our customers and keeping them safe. So yeah, that's basically how it gets set up. If it's a long distance from the house, we need to install a special transformer. These particular ones run off AC power, which then gets converted to DC power, but the AC power gets run from the house, so we just need to make sure we have a long enough, a powerful transformer to do that. This gate has over 100 meters from the house, so you do not want to have to set up 240 volt over 100 meters. It will cost you an arm and a leg because you're going to have to run a trench at 600 mil deep and get an electrician to come and do that. With this setup, we can just run a 4 mil cable, heavy duty outdoor lighting cable, UV protected cable, gets buried 100 or 200 mil below the ground, and we just bring a trencher in and do the trench. So yeah, there's a lot to these gates. Not really a DIY job. If you wanted to get one of these installed, best to call the experts. Get in contact with us at strongfencing.co.nz.